We can all remember our favorite childhood toy and the comfort it brought to us, but now here's your chance to give comfort and joy to a pediatric patient. For the 5th year in a row, Dallas-based Integrity, one of the leading independent distributors of life, health, and wealth products, is hosting its toy drive, and Paige got the details from Integrity co-founder and CEO Brian Adams and Integrity Foundation President Mary Elise Farah.
Can you tell us a little bit about the Integrity Gives Back Toy Drive? How did it all begin?
Yeah, so this started a few years ago. My son was in the hospital, and if you're in the hospital and you're a child, it is so scary. It's lonely, and this nurse brought in a Nerf gun.
Oh.
And she brings in a Nerf gun, and it changed the entire environment of that hospital room. And so we were talking to them, and they said, a lot of our toys have been deplenished because of COVID, and it was during the COVID season, and people hadn't been given as many toys. And so my son, who was 9 at the time, said, we need to give some toys back to Children's. And so I brought that idea back to our office. We ended up giving 500 toys that year to Children's, which was amazing. And that helps in so many different ways. And this year, we're going to be raising, I think, over 40,000 toys nationwide. We'll be giving over 30,000 toys just here in Dallas to Dallas Children's Hospital. And it's just such an honor for everybody to get involved and be part of this.
I love hearing stories about how personal experiences lead to really magnificent moments where you can give back in a large way, and that you were inspired by your son. But you've continued to do this. This was not a one-off for you. You've continued to grow. Why was it so important to you to maintain this commitment and to continue to raise dollars and toys for kids that are in need?
It's just taking on a life of its own. Our whole team, our entire company kind of got just passionate about this whole project. And really, whenever you see the impact that it has, if you think about a young child getting, an IV and just how scary that can be, and then having an opportunity to say, well, if you be brave, then we'll give you this stuffed animal, or something as small as stickers and coloring books, can just bring just a whole lot of joy.
And the toy itself can give comfort. Just the toy itself, whether it's a cuddly toy or something from an artistic standpoint to take their mind off things, it really can make an impact. Mary Elise, I want to go to you. Let's talk about this toy donation. What does it mean to Children's Medical Center Dallas and their pediatric patients?
Well, we understand that Children's Medical Center Dallas serves nearly 175,000 children every year, and something like 20,000 of those visits are surgeries. So when we started getting these numbers higher and higher with our toys, we really had that overnight kind of surgical procedure in mind, because we know that these toys can really change the environment, like Brian is saying, of a room and of an experience like that for families.
All right, so you've certainly done your part. How can others participate? How can they get involved in this mission?
Well, we've got a website, integritygivesback.com. We'd love for folks to go to the website. You can click Donate a Toy Here, and it takes you to an Amazon wish list that was curated by the Child Life Specialist at Children's Medical Center Dallas. And they've actually hand-selected the items on that list to really meet the needs of the families that they're serving. So you can go on and join and get a toy today. We're actually going to be delivering them this week, and it's going to be really exciting to show you all what it looks like when we deliver these toys to the Children's Hospital.
And every toy that's donated, we also match that 2 to 1. So if you donate a toy, and it can be something small, we will donate 2 more toys in your honor. So we encourage everybody to get involved. And this just shows how a small child can have such a big impact. And a small gift can make really just a big healthcare difference for children in the hospital this holiday season.
Well, many thanks to you, and many thanks to your son.
Oh, thank you so much for having us.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate you guys.
All right, again, visit integritygivesback.com to make a donation of a toy on Children's Amazon wish list. For every toy that is donated, as you heard, Integrity will match that donation with 2 toys.